thing we're gonna do is we're gonna pop off this. So pop that off to the side. Just like that. Remove these. And then this style might look a little bit different than yours, but just remove these plugs. And that's it. Take the new one. Take your new one, put in your plugs here. And then pop in your two T20s. Pop this gasket back on here. It kind of tucks around this lip, so you can see. So you want to make sure that it fully seats around that lip there. It might take a few tries, or you get lucky. So I got lucky here. And boom, you're all good.